Hello everyone, welcome to If Kitchen. This is my mom's version of a comfort tom yum noodle, a taste of Bangkok in the pot. Let's get started. You only need a few simple ingredients: instant noodles, tom yum paste or powder, and your favorite toppings. I love my pot with tomato, cucumber, carrot, and surimi. I'm using kaffir lime leaves for an authentic touch. Slice the tomato. Finely slide the cucumber. Get all the toppings ready. That's my tips of getting stronger flavor. First, boil water and add the tom yum paste. Stir until fully dissolved. Add the tomato, then the carrot, and bring to a boil. Now drop in the noodles. Cook just for 1 to 2 minutes. Make sure not to overcook. Then add the toppings or whatever you like. That's it. Add some kaffir lime leaves, lime slices, or dried shallots to taste. You can also top it with a soft boiled egg for extra comfort. Put on the lid and simmer for 1 minute. The aroma is already filling my kitchen. It's that spicy sour smell I love. Garnish with whatever you love. Your pot, your way. You smell the aroma right away. Spicy, citrusy, truly Thai. Thanks for watching, my love. I'll see you next time.